When my family moved to Cheyenne in the summer of 2000, one of the first things we did was go to the library. And while we were getting our library cards, the librarian told us about summer reading. So of course we all wanted to sign up. She said we could read for 25 days or 25 hours or just read 25 books, whatever we wanted to choose. Now my daughter Jamie's a big reader. She said, "How many books can I take home today?" And the librarian just smiled and said, "How many can you carry?" And it turns out she could carry an awful lot of books, especially when she got her sister and her aunt and me to help her, so a little cheating. We took home almost 60 books that day. My daughters loved picking out their prize books at the end of the summer, but for my son, summer reading was more about tracking his progress. He loved just checking off his reading goal every single day, and sometimes he'd put a sticker on the calendar for each day he read, and other times he'd make a big old X on it with a magic marker. Now, this year, everyone can track their reading progress using their phone for the Summer Reading Challenge. Now, they can use their tablet, their computer, whatever they like, but my son would have loved that when he was little. He would have been so excited. And of course, all the children and the teenagers who finish their Summer Reading Challenge, they will be able to pick out a brand new book to take home and keep. And don't worry, the adults won't feel left out. They each get a brand new notebook, and they get a 3-month online subscription to the Wyoming Tribune-Eagle. So have fun reading this summer, everybody, even though the library is closed. Remember that you can still take advantage of our drive-up pickup service to get books, which means the children can still have as many books as they can carry.